No, because see, I'm very new to this field.
Yeah.
I have no information, nothing about how exactly. Yeah, I do have the facilities. I'm doing pearl farming, so I just want to invest in this also. And right now, since it's a lockdown, I do have 6 months of time where I cannot go ahead and do. I cannot do what I am as a professional I used to do right now. So I have this 6 month, and I want really interested this. I want to complete the training and start with a one tank of 1,000 liter. And while you were talking with one of the other co-participant, and you have given that, yeah, definitely you can customize uh, the kit, so that's really good thing. And a second thing, just because what I have learned reading the video and as a business strategy, that when you produce something you need a market. So what exactly is the hot thing in my market, or what they need? So that's the reason I'm asking this question. Once again, I'm emphasizing on this, that if I have to cultivate some other fishes which is not there, I will definitely get help from you. Am I?
Correct, correct.
Okay, perfect. And thanks, Mr. Alam, it was
I
quite
will, that will
interactive.
be
And
a part of, that will be a part of our big boss house task also, to find
okay.
your local markets and nearby, like what are the mandis and what are the exporters available in your area. So I will find out and share information with you, as well as you will also have to do a kind of field work. That will be a part of task.
No, definitely. See, you cannot spoon feed us everything. There will be something completely depend upon how interest we are, and as a businessman, how we want to grow.
Correct,
That
correct.
definitely will be there. Thank you, Mr. Alam. It was really great. Mr. Alam, just have a one request. Is there, I have already pinged what exactly I required on the WhatsApp number you have shared. Is there any way, uh, will you be able to share that how exactly this training will go on an email, or this is also
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
because
We will
of
give
the,
you,
this can be
yeah,
shared?
yeah, yeah. We will give you the complete detail.
Okay, perfect.
Device breakup.
Thank you, Mr. Alam. It was really lovely talking with you.
Everything will be
That's all
completely
from my side.
organized. There will be no chaotic. Everything will be well organized, well structured. Day by day, all the lectures will be there.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. That's from.
Thank you very much. So I'm going to share my screen.
Okay.
Traditionally, people were doing aquaculture in pond. They were doing in sea. They were doing in lakes. You would have heard about cage culture. So people, they make a, literally they make cage of nets and floats in river as well as in lakes as and seas, and then people do aquaculture in those hostile environments. So those are very expensive proposition. They depend on the geographic proximity to that area. Everybody cannot have access to that. If someone want to do cage culture in sea, he cannot do in his courtyard, right? He has to be near somewhere the sea. So traditional aquaculture is having lot of issues, lot of limitations. It is not for everyone. But biofloc technology, this is one technology which enables each and everyone, even a person with a very small space, very want to walk with you side by side in your journey of biofloc, guiding you all the time. That's why I have developed this method of training, which I'm going to introduce you today. Here, you will understand how our course will be designed. So you see here I have designed a course called Biofloc Fish Farming Mastery. So this will be a 30 days training, a complete 30-day. Every day will be training, and you can attend this training from the comfort of your home and at your own pace, with your own leisure. You can attend this training. There will be no time limits. There will be no morning, evening. There will be no complaints like I don't have time, I have office or something like that. You can even at 2 a.m. at night, you can attend, you can go through my lectures, and you can communicate with me. It will be again, I'm repeating, it will be 30 days training, and every week, that is at least 4 times, I will come live like this to the people who have joined the class. So all of you, how you have joined right now, same way you will be part of my live session. One to one we will have talk, and I will sort out your problems one to one. Every day I will come online. So there will be no communication gap. Every week, whatever problem you face, you can come face to me, and we can discuss and solve the issue. Now, how things will proceed daily on daily basis. Daily, you will have one lecture. You will, after that lecture, you will have the lecture available offline. Anytime you want, you can go through the lecture. You don't understand anything, I will add you in my, everyone who registers will be part of my special Facebook group, secret Facebook group, and it will be part of my Instagram group as well. And I will be personally all the time live in these groups. So whatever, so suppose you went through today's lecture. Now you have any issues, you post your problems in the group in which I will be there. I will solve the issue. Plus, after one day lecture, you will have a task. After every day lecture, you will have a task. It will be like a big boss house task. So I will give you task every day. Suppose today you learned something. Suppose you learned today on C and ratio. I'll give you a task. Please make a video, 5 minutes video on C and ratio. What was your understanding, how much you were able to understand the concept, what is your take. You just say all those things in a video recording and then send it to me in the group. So that is how everyday progress will be monitored as a task. So let me show you how the training will be structured. The 30-day training, it is broken, it is subdivided into 3 sections. So we will have a stage 1, 10 day, a stage 2, 10 days, a stage 3, 10 days. So 10 days, 10 days, 10 days, there will be 30 days training. So let me see everyone, just I'm having a look on all of your faces. So just I can identify you. I'm able to see you. It is our long time relation is starting. And we must introduce not anonymously, but it should be face to face. You can see in a stage 1, we will be talking about biofloc technology for 10 days. In a stage 2, we will be talking about types of fishes, habitat and feeding habits, like what are the environments, what are the environment of fish, what are the habitats of fish in which fishes like to live happily, plus practical from day 15. From day 15th onwards, your practical will start. For practical, we are arranging a practical kit that I have named as training kit. So that is an option. I don't mandate you. It is your wish. You can do complete training at your home with a complete identical setup. So you don't need to set up a farm, or you don't need to have a farm in order to do practical. You can keep, this is 1000-liter tank. I have especially get it made for this training as a training kit. So you can buy that training kit. I'll give you detail on the kit. On day 1, stage 1, I'll introduce you to biofloc fish farming business opportunity. I will give you the complete picture, what business opportunities are there in the biofloc fish farming industry. Warm up and motivation. If you have some negative thoughts, I will try to remove those negative thoughts through some facts and motivations, so that you get a proper warm up, proper determination, because without determination, you cannot achieve anything in your life. Everyone who is right now present in this meeting, all of you know you might be successful in certain areas. How you have achieved that status, how have you succeeded to earn your livelihood in your life? Definitely you would have put lot of efforts. Everybody know how much hard to get a proper satisfying livelihood. So definitely you know the importance of hard work. So not success never comes easy. Bioflock is a successful technology, but any success is kind of ladder. You have to climb it, and climbing needs efforts. You cannot have a success as a roller coaster ride. You will have to climb uphill with a proper determination. If you have that proper determination to climb uphill, you will definitely get success. And I am there as a guide, as a friend to walk you towards the success. So I will clear out any doubts you will having, any negative thoughts you will be having. I'll clear all those things which will help you to march towards success with a confidence and with a positive hope. Who can do biofloc fish farming? Will you succeed? Comparison of biofloc technology with pond, river and cage culture in sea and lakes. I'll give positives, negatives of all these things. Then I will have an option of introducing you to a training kit. See, I tried to make a training kit as cheap as I can by reducing prices of almost all the products as low I can do. My idea and policy is that now everything should be transparent to user, and it should be transparent to everyone. It should not be like that. Personally, I should deal separately with everyone with different rates. So every I should be open book. Everybody should have the same opportunity, same pricing. You don't need to dedicate whole day completely for this. It is going to be like a drip knowledge transfer. Like knowledge will be dripping one by one slowly, and you can absorb it slowly in your consciousness. So see, this will be the tank like this. It will be self-standing. I have written price here. All the prices I have written. Nothing hidden that you call me or send me message, then I'll send you price. No, no, no. We are not following that policy. And this price will be online. Okay, so that is the kit. If you want to do practical at home, you can buy this kit. Our practical will start from the 15th day of training. Our training is starting from 1 May, 1 June. From 1st June, training is starting. If you order your kit before 1st June, you can get your kit at your home, all these materials. before practical starting, and you can start practical together. Biofloc technology was started around 15 years before. So it is not a new technology. It is time tested. In fact, shrimp culture in biofloc is done at very widespread level across world, and even in many places in Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. So this is a very successful technology in shrimp culture also, biofloc. Only thing is that common men in India, they came to know about this technology within last year. So it was how knowledge reached to you. It was very late, but the technology itself is a very old time tested. It is very successful technology. Biofloc as a water treatment system. What is Biofloc? What is TSS? Day one task. After that, you will get a task, day one task. How to maintain flock and TSS. So these all will be lectures. So I will be giving you lecture on each one of them. Now suppose how many topics are there on day one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. So there will be 9 lectures. Even if I make 15 minutes each lecture, it will be around 140 minutes, around something like that. Are you getting it or not? That is more than 2 hours lecture you will have every day. Day one I will explain the water on a day we have on which will have what you have to tell me what should I kill. Day I will be with you, connected to you, and every week we will have this kind of live meeting, face to face. We will talk your problems, your queries, your questions. So I'm going to stay as a host with you for entire 1 month. And after 1 month, once you start your commercial production, I will be there for one culture also with you in the complete meeting, in complete face-to-face meeting like this. And I will force you as a school children to send me water parameters every day, and we will like ammonia and other things, and we will give you feedbacks that how your culture is going on, what corrective measures you should take, or everything is fine. So it will be like a complete, I told you know, it will be a complete success walk with me. Then also if somebody fails, don't worry. You fail once, you are not fail until you stop, until you accept the defeat. Now I'm going to open for question answer. So anybody who want to ask some question, please raise your hand. Mr. Raj want to ask something. Raj, I'm
Uh,
unmuting. Yeah, you can
yeah,
ask. And
yeah, sir.
everybody is watching you. So it's not only me.
Yeah,
Everybody can
okay.
hear and watch you. I have made you a
Yeah,
spotlight. Everybody can see you right now.
okay.
Their screen.
Uh, thank, Thank you so much for your time and giving a demonstration about the training. And yeah, I have a few questions, right? While you are showing on this kit, it's at 6,950 or something else. So I would like to know the kit is for 1 month, and you said for 1,000 liters. So whatever the kit, parts or whatever the food, whatever the testing kit getting, it is only up to for 1,000 liters purpose only, or it
No,
can
no,
be
no.
for more.
Because only tank is 1000 liter, but all other things are there which you can use in the production environment, all the testing kits.
Okay. And one more question, like how about the marketing, and how about your support regarding the marketing also? Because
As I told,
I'm
yeah, yeah. If it is a
yeah.
contract farming, entire thing, even the selling will be done by us only. But all the process will be transparent. You will be involved in the selling process also. You
Okay.
will know directly what is the selling price, what are the profit, what is the loss. You will know everything. But we will take responsibility of selling as well. Those who are not on contract basis, I will give you a complete guideline on how to sell, where to sell. I will try to find and locate selling markets near you, and I will help you to go there.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm done.
Mr. Akshanand, please.
Hey, hello, sir. Thank you, first of all, for starting this and kicking this training off. This, I mean, I think everyone wanted this, something like this. So first of all, thank you. I have a few questions. One is training and content. So, how will be the training? I mean, say you complete the training, and somewhere in the future I want to refer to a video of yours, say for how to check pH or how to check DO or something like that. So for that, will I have the entire video to check, or I mean, to put it simple, so will your video contain topics, or will there be separate video on every topic?
There will be, I displayed you the structure, no training structure. There will be one video on each and every topic.
Okay,
It
but
will be
then
very concise and precise. So you don't have to search across the videos. So, see, you don't have to see.
great. So
Or who can directly pay to account, they can directly pay to account and register for training. Those who cannot directly pay to my account due to, like, you cannot pay into directly some foreign accounts if you're outside India, we will give you generate a link, payment link, maybe in because I have sent my KYC details to the payment gateway, and they have told me they will confirm on Monday for payment gateway integration. So once I get that, you should be able to pay through a link, through PayPal or any other method. So I think that will be sorted out on Monday. Training is going to start on 1st June, this 1st June. So from 1st June, our training will start. So please join before that. And after joining training on 1st June, practical will start from 15th day of the training. So you should order the kit before training so that you should get kit delivered to you till the training starts. So that is how everything should be arranged.
okay, thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.
So anyone else? I think MS Raju want to say something. Yeah, okay. Yeah, Raju bhai, go ahead.
Hello. Good evening, sir.
MS Raju, MS
Hello.
Raju. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Good evening, sir. Can I form a chimp culture in salinity of 10 PPT?
Yes, yes, very much, very much. That is,
Actually,
yeah.
the bore water which is coming with salinity 8 to 15. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm hearing you. It is, you are telling
I want.
is having 8 to 10. I think, are you staying somewhere near some sea coast?
Yes, it is far from 20 kilometers. I am getting there that
Okay.
salinity above 8.
It's a very good salinity for doing shrimp, particularly this Banami.
Any other fishes in that salinity
Most
would survive?
freshwater fishes, they will not actually survive in that. There will be growth stunting for most of the
Okay.
freshwater fishes. Someone may die also.
Okay.
You you can only do brackish water or sea fish species in that.
Okay. Actually, I want to set up near at 1 lakh liter tank.
Okay, I'll give you the list of fishes which you can do, which can survive in 8 to 10 ppm.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Thank you.
So now,
Hello.
yeah, yeah.
Hello,
Please
sir.
tell yourself.
One more thing, you told me for shrimp culture there is another training program.
Yeah, for shrimp there will be a complete different training.
When will you announce
You
for
know,
that?
shrimp comes under crustacean, and the lifestyle and the eating habits and the water parameters, everything is completely different for crustaceans.
Okay.
Okay. Mr. Sunil, okay. Sunil, you can, I have unmuted you.
Can
Speak
you hear me, sir?
Yeah, yeah,
Sir,
we can hear you.
sir, it is a great way for me.
You
Sir,
can, yeah,
hello, sir.
yeah, yeah. Tell
Yes, sir. It is a great day for me on lockdown. I teach from you. Sir, I have a few questions.
Please go ahead.
Hello, sir.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Sir, I want to go package number 3 with 10,000 tank and accessories, sir.
Yeah, please, for all the orders, you send the WhatsApp on the number I have given you, and then our team will send you,
Okay, sir.
call you with the details.
Yes, sir. I can resume it.
Yeah, yeah.
Sir,
You
one.
send on the WhatsApp number I have given you. You send the package name
Okay,
on the
sir.
WhatsApp number. We will send you details.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, one question is that you don't mention any feed in that package.
Any feed,
Yes, sir.
feed.
Yes, sir. You don't
Yeah, yeah.
mention here.
Okay, yeah, yeah. I noticed feed is missing in that. I will include feed also.
I'm a government servant.
Yeah, yeah.
Hello, sir.
Go ahead, go ahead. I'm listening you.
Sir, I'm a, sir, actually I registered for myself at that time, but I want to change my registration uh, with my wife. It
No
is
problem.
possible,
See,
sir?
this was a meeting registration, not the training registration. We will create a separate account after
Okay.
registration. Once you pay for the training fees, we will give you access to our training website.
Many,
Then
many
all the
thanks, sir, and best wishes, sir. Yes, sir.
yeah, Sunil.
Yeah. Sir, can you hear me?
तो नहीं है वहाँ पे. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We can
Hello?
hear you.
Yeah. Sir, I'm specific about the Wanami shrimp. So can we grow Wanami shrimp up to 30 count, which 30 count in biofloc using cement tank? And in a year, how many batches we can able to harvest? You can able to harvest 3 batches or 4 batches in a year.
That
The
depends
two
on
for
the size.
basically
That
30
depends on the size, how many harvests you can take. There is no limit
Sir,
of
I want to
harvest.
yeah,
So,
I want to harvest
second,
30 count, sir.
one second, let me tell you. Yeah, let me tell you. 30 count means how many grams? Like divide 1000 by 30,
It was around 33 grams.
33 grams.
Yes, sir.
33 grams. 33
Yes, sir.
grams is the average growth rate for, I'll tell you, 4 months max.
4 months.
Four
So
months
maximum
you
we
will
can
get
able to harvest 3.
yeah.
And also, sir, I want to set up 3 lakh liters of Vanami shrimp. You said that the equipments and some things was different regarding this fish farming and shrimp farming.
Yeah,
So how much it will
water
going to cost?
parameters are different. Not equipment does not much differ. Water parameter
Okay.
differs.
So how much it will cost, sir, for 3 lakh liters? I want to set up a Vanami shrimp.
That's what I'm telling. That you send all these details in the WhatsApp. We will work out, and then because we need to calculate, the rates and everything, and then we will send you. Our staff will send you material department. The costing
Okay.
and all the factors. Here
Okay,
you
sir. I
have
will definitely
doubts,
contact.
yeah, doubts you raise me for transactions. You just do the WhatsApp. Our staff will send you all the details. Like say for 3 lakhs
Okay, okay,
liter,
fine.
what will be the cost? They will send you. What will be included
Okay.
in that? Whether you will make cement tank or tarpaulin tank? What GSM of tank will be there? And depending on lot of factors, what kind of aeration system will be adopted? So those all depends. And after that only we can make a final, conclusion. What will be the costing? Thank you very much. Anyone else?
Yeah, I do have a question.
Yeah,
Can
yeah,
you hear me?
yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Alam. It was really quite interactive and it was quite informative. Just want to ask you a couple of things. First, just want to confirm that you are starting the training from 1st of June. And after 15 days, if you are starting about to take the practicals, it will start from 15th of June. So I'm hoping that the material which I order for or
Right.
the training kit I will receive before 15th of June. Am I correct?
Correct, correct.
Okay, perfect. Now, because see, I'm very new to this field. I have no information, nothing about how exactly. Yeah, I do have the facilities. I'm doing pearl farming. So I just want to invest in this also. And right now, since it's a lockdown, I do have 6 months of time where I cannot go ahead and I cannot do what I am as a professional I used to do right now. So I have this 6 month and I want really interested this. I want to complete the training and start with a one tank of 1,000 liter. And while you were talking with one of the other co-participant and you have given that, yeah, definitely you can customize uh, the kit. So that's really good thing. And a second thing, just because what I have learned reading the video and as a business strategy, that when you produce something you need a market. So what exactly is the hot thing in my market or what they need? So that's the reason I'm asking this question. Once again, I'm emphasizing on this, that if I have to cultivate some other fishes which is not there, I will definitely get help from you. Am I?
Correct, correct.
Okay, perfect. And thanks, Mr. Alam. It was
I
quite
will that will
interactive
be
and
a part of that will be a part of our big boss house task also, to find
okay.
your local markets and nearby, like what are the mandis and what are the exporters available in your area. So I will find out and share information with you, as well as you will also have to do a kind of field work. That will be a part of task.
No, definitely. See, you cannot spoon feed us everything. There will be something completely depend upon how interest we are, and as a businessman, how we want to grow.
Correct,
That
correct.
definitely will be there. Thank you, Mr. Alam. It was really great. Mr. Alam, just have a one request. Is there, I have already pinged what exactly I required on the WhatsApp number you have shared. Is there any way, uh, will you be able to share that how exactly this training will go on an email, or this is also
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
because
We will
of
give
the,
you
this can be
yeah,
shared?
yeah, yeah. We will give you the complete detail.
Okay, perfect.
Device breakup.
Thank you, Mr. Alam. It was really lovely talking with you.
Everything will be
That's all
completely
from my side.
organized. There will be no chaotic. Everything will be well organized, well structured. Day by day, all the lectures will be there.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. That's from.
Thank you very much. Okay, one thing. See, one more thing, that you will see many people, they have propped up in this business. They don't have physical presence, and they are trying to do sell things and buy things. Many people are posting on Facebook, their products, but if you call them, there won't be any pickup. They will say we don't have product right now, but they will keep posting on the Facebook to just make sure that people think that they are there in the market. So we are not like that. We have a physical presence in Kolkata. Our company is based in Kolkata. We are headquartered in Kolkata, near CM office, near Nabanno. So, and it is a 2000 square feet our own land, Fish Vigyan owned land. So it is not a rented or something. We are permanent. We are going to stay there. And in Bihar, Madhubani also, in a proper city, we have 3500 square feet our own land, and we are making a research center there. So we are very much on the ground, and we are going to stay there as a original company. I will, my team member, he will actually give you a walkthrough of our Kolkata office. I'm just handing over him. Please show everyone our office. Yeah.
Yeah, hi everyone. This is our office.
So we have the stock of all the products. We have a godown also. This is what in the counter. We have all the products available, what we are selling. In fact, we are getting supplies in lockdown to transports which are working right now. We have regular supply of everything. And this is our hall. Those are tanks, you know, tarpaulins, which you see there. And that is a Fish Vigyan demo and research purpose tank. Right now, Pangasius is there in that.
So better before starting, we'll better check the salinity of the water in near
That's why
my
we
well
do
or
that in my training. I will give you which fish can tolerate how much salinity, how much temperature, how much acidity. Everything I'll give you in detail, and accordingly you make a informed decision.
okay, okay.
Yeah. See, sir, you should write your name. Huh? So please introduce yourself first because your name is not visible.
Yeah, I'm Mr. Teja Haralu. I have already
Yeah, I'm trying to recognize you. You have already attended my physics.
Barpeta, at Barpeta, if you
Yeah,
recall.
yeah, Kolkata. Yeah, correct. Long back from
Barpeta Road, Assam.
Northeast. I think you came with your son or someone.
That's correct. That's correct.
Yeah.
Now, I just have two questions.
Yeah.
One, in our area, we are using bore well,
Okay.
and there's iron content is there.
Okay.
What is the suggestion for this one for iron content?
No issues. There are iron remover which is available for 15 to 20,000 rupees.
Okay.
Most of the water softener, no, they can remove iron.
Okay. Iron can be removed by water softener. No?
Yeah. So you can buy a commercial water softener that will remove iron and high calcium and magnesium, all these.
Okay, that is it. Another question.
15 to 20K.
Okay.
Because if there is iron more than 0.1 ppm, fish gill will get damaged and it will have a stress and deaths.
Will you be able to supply the iron testing kit?
Yes. We
You've
have
got,
iron testing kit available.
That will be useful. Sir, I have another question. Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. I have another. So, say that I have opted for option number 1, training and materials.
Okay.
And then I pay 2,500 for the course.
Okay.
And during the course, supposing I again opt for for setup or for contract farming.
Okay.
Will that 2,500 be adjusted in the advance?
Yes. No problem. We are not very money hungry. We are not money hungry, sir.
Okay, that's a good thing. Okay, yeah, that's all actually. Thank you.
Okay, so shall we, I think, conclude this session? We will meet again once you join our class. Every week we will be in this meeting like this. Ganesh Pawar. Hi, Ganesh. Okay. You want to speak? Yeah, say.
Hi. Actually, I have raised my hand for quite a few times now, but I don't know, there is some technical issue maybe.
I didn't notice, okay.
Yeah. So, a couple of questions. So, you mentioned it is going to be a self-paced training. So, is it like I can join now and take 15 days gap in between before I start the practical? The reason I'm asking is I am in a containment zone. I'm from Mumbai. And the lockdown is extended till 31st of May, and it's very strict here. The conditions are very bad.
Correct.
So I'm 101% sure, no delivery will be possible. So I can go ahead with the training, but I won't be able to do any practical assist.
Since all the content, my training lectures will be available, and all the practical will be defined in the lectures itself. So you can do practical anytime.
Okay, or you will be having multiple batches, like first batch is starting now.
Yeah. You can also, we may put you in some other batch also. For the only thing is that if we have synchronized practical, no, since everybody will be doing as per lecture, because I will be there in the part of synchronous team. Once you do yourself alone, I may not be able to give you that much enough, attention.
So what is when is the next batch? When would be the second batch?
The second batch date we have not decided, because since it is the first only, first is starting on 1 June. So second may be starting after, say, 10 days after first one.
Yeah, I think so. That's not very far. I can see.
Yeah, not
Okay.
very far. Yeah.
I had another question. I have shared a table in the chat. Actually, I think you must have lost it because it's quite a bit of chat out there. So I have a table which is kind of a ready reckoner as to for this fish. No, this is the ideal salinity. This is the ideal pH. This is the ideal TDS and all that. That you have already mentioned in your species as to you will be covering those many fishes and you will be covering following details about that. But I did not find anything like a feeding chart or a recommended feeding frequency or a growth chart as to what will be the growth per day or the average growth rate.
All will be there as per the standard curriculum when you start training, when you register.
Sir, I want to know that you said that you help in this marketing also in contract farming.
Yeah.
Yes, but what about the Vanami shrimp? If I cultivate it in Bengaluru, I didn't find a good market there. So how it going to help?
We can send it to Kolkata, man. We can send it to Bihar. We can send it to many. Don't worry. India is now well connected. You don't have to sell in the farm area only.
Okay. Actually,
in Kolkata,
actually it was a bit.
In Kolkata, 5 gram Vanami, 5 gram dead Vanami sells in 400 rupees retail price.
Okay.
So there are markets, you don't need to find a market near your own house only.
Okay, actually it was the only main problem for me too, because I want to set up in Bengaluru, but I am thinking that how I can able to set.
Andhra is sending Rohu and Pangasius all over India, frozen. So any product, we can send anywhere. There is you don't need to bother about that. Okay, anyone else? I think we should conclude now, right? For any further queries, you can just send your queries on the number I have given you, and we will respond to you. Once you join the training, every week we will be meeting like this, and you will be part of my Telegram group. Earlier, I was having trainings and I was managing through WhatsApp group, but that was not efficient method, and I was not able to catch up with the WhatsApp groups. So that's why I invested a lot of my time to upgrade to technology, and I am coming up with these solutions to be connected to farmers all the time. Thank you very much. See you soon in the meeting we will have after what is called registration. Bye-bye. I'm going to close.